Here's why BMI is just bullshit. A lot of doctors and regular wellness coaches usually go off BMI. For example, I'm 6'1", 205 pounds, and my BMI is 26.3. What that means is I am overweight. But if you saw me, you know I'm not overweight. BMI is used for a bunch of people just to average them out. Now, if you have any muscle on you or a different build type, instead of going off BMI, go off body composition and body fat. With this, you can see how much muscle you have and how much actual body fat you have on that muscle. And from there, you can create a program based on what you want to achieve, rather than just trying to target your BMI and reduce it, which could lead to less muscle and you actually being more out of shape. Stop looking at BMI and start looking at body composition. Like and follow for more.
What if you're a marathon runner? If you're 6'1" and 240 pounds, you think you're ever going to win a marathon? Of course not. It's too heavy. What if you're a bike racer in the Tour de France? You're 5'6", 189.6 pounds like I was this morning. Is that your ideal weight? Of course not. Do you think anyone's keeping up in the Tour de France who weighs as much as I do? And so your ideal weight surely depends on what are your goals here on this earth.
Arnold would have been by far the best bodybuilder ever. Look at that chest. Nobody got that, even today. He got the biggest chest ever.
I'm convinced that I'm dating the hottest man alive and nobody can tell me otherwise. Like, every single day I'm blown away by how fucking hot this man is. And he's into me?
Did you know